number 3 on top, high skin fade on the sides. Okay, just as usual guys, we will start with the guideline. Now next step, we'll shave everything off below the guideline. Now I will jump to the next step using the shaver. Now next, grab your trimmer and just get rid of this line between the super zero and the zero. Now next, we use opening clipper half and we go 1 inch. Next step, open the clipper halfway and get rid of all this line. Next, we will shave the top by number 3. Now back again to number 1.5 level open. Now number 1 level open. Just before the end of the number 2. Now the last step of the fade, number half level open, and you hit only on this line. Wow. Here we go. Happy?
Yeah.
Where's your thumbs up then? Good. That's good fade.